today's vlog, I'm just taking a moment to sing a few little praises because this is my plant, Robin, and she did not do well. I put her outside over the summer thinking like, yo, tropical palm tree, you will like the heat. Well, she just got battered. She got blown over with every rainstorm. It was just laying on her side. And, you know, she just didn't seem to like it at all. And I brought her in thinking that this might be the end of this plant. And today I came and look at that. Do you see that? What you are looking at there? That is a new leaf. Hi, Robin. Look at her growing a new leaf. So she is going to come on back. This is the comeback kid. Just like the person who gave her to me. Strong, determined. Yes, that's why this is Robin. And these are my 2 plants that I bought for a workshop. And look, this rosemary is thriving. I almost lost this basil plant. I was really treating it badly. Not intentionally, but neglecting it. But it seems like it's going to bounce back a little bit. I'm going to turn it around here so that the other side can get some light. Yeah, there we go. And this beautiful plant, this is Chantel. This is Chantel, the Hawaiian ginger. She's bossy. She really is happy since I repotted her. So many new stalks have come up. So I'm going to rotate her around too. And this is my little basil plant from Trader Joe's that used to be really, really big, but I pruned it back. And as you can see, it's got new growth coming. Although it's kind of chilly in here, so I don't know how it's going to thrive over the winter, but we'll see. I've had it now for like over a year, so good investment. So this is my nourishing herbal tea blend for the day. I have what was left of my nettle, burdock, and cinnamon with a tea bag of green tea with roasted rice. I love the flavor of the green tea with roasted rice. And so I'm going to get up here today. It's the weekend, and I plan on editing some videos, getting these up and out, and reading a book. I am happy to say that Riley and I took a really good walk this morning. I even ran for part of the way and worked up a baby little sweat. So I'm happy about that. Working on being hydrated today. I've done some of my spiritual work. So, yep, it's the weekend. We're plugging along. Feeling good today. The other thing I'm going to work on today, since this is all about me, is getting my... So this is some art supplies. I need to be able to access my artistic side more often and more easily. So currently I have bags of markers and, you know, just stuff. Anyway, this is a bag of miscellaneous art supplies, and I'm going to try to, you know, organize it and get things to where I can use it. This stuff just sits. It just sits and sits and sits. And I got great stuff in here. Like, you know, my watercolor pencils that I have not used in forever. You know? And stickers. Press-on letters that can be used for whatever. And more stickers. And my colored pencils that I was looking for. And more stickers. Okay. And paints. These I usually give to VJ, but I might want to play with some too, you know. Wow, getting things into some categories here. We got like blank paper and notebooks. We have crafting items, washi tape, sticky notes, stickers for sure. And look at all these packs of pens. A little bit much there. And I just came across this. What is this, you say? This is my astrological chart reading I had done when I was in Sedona, I think 2 years ago. So it'll be super interesting to listen to this now. Yeah, I gotta find a CD player or a CD-ROM. I went through all of those art supplies and now I have a big old bag that's just like my pencil and paint bag. And I put all my washi tape in one container, and then I got motivated and did a blog post on my awesome muffins that I made the other day, and it's up already, and I just feel motivated. And I did some, like I said, my spiritual work. I'm trying to work on this these lifestyle changes. So I don't know, I'm just feeling good today. And that is something to be grateful for.